Okay, so we're on our way back from Kishurit. We did a morning trip up to visit Chaya, and now we are on our way to Elifelet. We just talked to Marom. She's on her way there, and she sent us pictures of this cool place that does nagarut. How do you say nagarut? Well, woodwork, but out of natural wood. And she sent a whole bunch of pictures in the family group of like these beautiful pieces of furniture, and they ordered a couple of things. So we're on our way. We're going to meet them there and see the showroom. And so I decided that I am going to video it so that I can share. So when we get there, we will show you. And we're driving through Galilee now. My son is here with me in the car. He doesn't want to be filmed, so I'm not going to film him. But I'll turn it around so you can see where we're driving. Okay, so we just got here to Elifelet. My daughter and her boyfriend are a little bit behind us. We're eating popcorn. And we're coming up to the place, so I'll turn it around just so you can see where we're at. It's in Elifelet. It's a small settlement. It's telling me we're about 100 meters away. Ooh, that looks like it's it with all that natural wood outside. That's gotta be it. Okay. Yeah, that is it. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna stop it just when we go in. Cool, this is a cool little surprise outing. I'm really excited about it. Oh, my son doesn't want to be in the video, so we're going in. Yay. Okay, so we just got here, and my son really doesn't want to be in the video. And we just got here and we met the owner, the artist. Unbelievable. The artwork that he has here is just unbelievable. So I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough and show you exactly what's here. Massive. Look at that. It's like a king's chair. Beautiful. Look at that. That's like a stove. I need to get a little bit further away so you can see it from far away. Look, it's like a stove and the chair behind it. Oh, look at that. איזה יופי. Wow, look at that. I love that. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, wow, look at that bed. Oh, beautiful. Ah, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I'm super excited about finding this place. Look at this. That chair is just absolutely amazing. Oh, wow. Look at that. But that looks like it's made out of the natural grain from the tree. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this. Wow. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Look on the side of this. Okay, so I think I'm gonna walk through. I'm gonna stop it for a second. Well, actually, I'm just gonna walk through. He said I could film wherever I wanted to, so I'm gonna show you where he works. And I love the music. Very, very cool. And it looks like my daughter got here, so I'm gonna go say hi to her. Well, I'm trying to find my way through here. אני מגיעה עם הוידאו.
You're most welcome.
Hey, mommy. It's Osher, the artist. Beautiful. Hello. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right, mommy? Wait, we can't see you. Right? We can't see you. We can't see you. Oh, there you are. There you are. Hello. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to stop the video so I can also enjoy myself a little bit. So, this is Osher Sotil in Elifelet. I'll turn it around. Superb artistry, just superb artistry. We've been standing out here talking for a few minutes, and he's telling me a little bit about his history, how he went against everybody and everything to do his art. And let me turn around. No, תמשיך, מה? That's
לא צריך כי כבר הם יבשים.
This is Noam, my daughter's boyfriend, and he came and he's picking up these pieces of wood. And we're going to go back in because I am just loving this place. I'm loving this place. I want to give him a little bit of credit here. So Osher Sotil in Moshav Elifelet. Beautiful. Look at all these pieces of wood. That is going to be something magnificent. Mag with a nificent on it, for sure. Beautiful. I love places like this. I just love places like this. I could spend all day in a place like this. All day. And probably all night. I could probably spend all day plus a whole bunch of other all days in a place like this. Look. Look at all the tools. I love all the tools and the music. Okay, I'm going to go back in that gallery. Okay, so I decided I'm going to come back in here and I'm going to film some more because this is just absolutely magnificent. What's going on in here is just amazing. Beautiful. And there's small things, and look at that. Chita, Geffen, Sarah, Rimon. It's like the 7 minim, but I only see here 6. Beautiful, beautiful. Osher Sotil. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I want to see some of his drawings too. Oh, look at this. Oh, look, it has his name in it. Because that is just a work of art. Look at that. It is amazing. I love this. This is right up my alley. And this also. This is... I'm gonna sit in that chair. See? I love this chair. Look at this down here. Okay. I think that is gonna be the end of this video. I just keep on finding new stuff. He also makes like these big wood stoves with the basilite stones on the side. And look who's coming in here. No, I'm the queen. I'm the queen. It's for a brit. Okay, but a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And anyway, you're super handsome. You're like the handsomest. Well, don't get in the frame. Okay, well. Okay, well, I'm done. Let me do my own little finishing thing. Oh, look at that computer chair over there. He doesn't want to be in the videos, but he keeps on getting in through the frame. Okay, well, I think that's going to be enough for this video. Thank you for watching. This place is awesome. Osher Sotil in Moshav Elifelet. I can't say enough. Look at that. Look at that. I just can't say enough. It's just so beautiful. And when you get here, it's even like more magnificent. It's just magnificent. Okay.